Gates open. They're up and racing. Super elegant draws for your lead. Moving a party outside Janelle's episode. Then running by the rail is Stand By Your Man. Hammer it home. Maglev, tirad pass, and on the outside is Dr. Choice. Heading towards the last 600, Janelle's episode in command by our length is Stand By Your Man is in second. Tirad pass, moving up to take third. Super elegant, drops back in fourth, then followed by Dr. Choice. Maglev and Hammer it home is in behind them as they turn for home. Janelle's episode leading the field. Tirad pass, throwing a challenge on the outside. Maglev is by the rail, third, super elegant. With the last 150 more to run, tirad pass. Now by about 3 lengths, followed by Janelle's episode. And finally the finish line, pass. Janelle's episode, Maglev, hammer it home close between super elegant, Stand By Your Man, and Dr. Choice.